Hello class, this video is to show you how to use your TI-30XS calculator to do combination and permutation problems very quickly. So I pulled up a couple of questions from our past homework and I'm going to do those two problems. So here we have problem 9. It says 5 friends want to play a video game designed for 2 players. How many different combinations of 2 are possible if the order does not matter? So this clearly tells us order does not matter. It also talks about combinations. So we remember that combinations goes along with the order not being important. And with these kind of problems, we're always looking for a larger number. That number is 5. And the smaller number of items that we're picking from that larger number. So we have a total of 5, and we are going to pick 2. So that reminds us of what we're going to set up in the calculator. So now we're going to move over and do this in the calculator. The key to this is this PRB button, which is toward the top right underneath the mode button. And we're going to start, as we always do, by clicking the clear button to make sure that we don't have anything in there. The first thing that you do for using the combination function is to press the larger number or enter the larger number. In this case, it's 5. Then we click the PRB button and we select whether we want permutations, that's the NPR, or combinations, which is the NCR. For this one, we want combinations. So I scroll down to that, I click enter, and then I enter the number of 2. And then we just click the enter button and the answer appears on the right. The answer to that problem is 10. Okay, so now let's move down to a permutation problem. The entry is very similar. This is it, number 11 right there. So let's analyze this problem. It says Sonia has been given 6 tasks to do at work, but she only has time to complete 4. So it looks like 6 is our larger number and 4 is our smaller number. Then it says she must decide in what order. So what order tells us that this is a permutation problem, where order matters. So we're going to use the permutation function in the calculator this time. And then the final question is how many possible orderings of 4 tasks are available to Sorara. And now we will set up just like we did before, the larger number, and we are going to pick 4 from 6. We move over to the calculator now. And once again, we clear it. We start by entering the larger number. We click the PRB button. It defaults to permutation. So we can see that 1 is already selected. We click enter. And then we click the number 4. We click enter again, and it generates our answer of 360. And we look over at our list, and we can see that 360 is answer C. So that's how you enter permutation. As you can see, it's very similar. You just need to pick the permutation or combination function, enter the larger number first, the smaller number second, and you very quickly get an answer. I hope that was helpful.